Hi, I'm Leonard James D. Postrado. We will continue to explore planning and implementing social marketing by looking on the topic on advanced social media marketing strategies for small businesses. Based on the article by Samir Balwani 370, there are 5 advanced social media marketing strategies for small businesses. First, show your company's personality and make complex ideas simple with photos and videos. This will get people interested and keep them engaged. Second, promote your social media on your offline ads. This builds trust and grows your online community. Third, adjust your messages for each social media platform. This maximizes impact and avoids repeating yourself. Fourth, make sure your business is listed on local online directories. This helps people find you in their area. Fifth, use contests and discounts on social media to boost engagement and sales. So let's talk about social media. A lot of businesses think that just having social media accounts is enough. Advanced social media marketing is not about having presence. It is about action. It is about using social media strategically. It is about having a plan, a purpose, and using those platforms to drive specific actions. We're not just posting for the sake of posting. We're posting to get people to do something. When we talk about advanced social media marketing, we're not just talking about creating content that people see and forget. We're talking about creating content that moves people, that moves them to take action, whether it's increasing sales, generating leads, or building brand awareness. Or our social media efforts should be driving us closer to these goals. Your customers don't live in separate online and offline worlds. They interact with your brand in many different ways. They might see your ad on TV, then visit your website, and then walk into your physical store. Whether someone is interacting with you online or offline, they should have the same feeling about your brand. This builds trust, strengthens your brand identity, and creates a more memorable experience for your customers. One of the key aspects of advanced social media marketing is understanding that a one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't work. Each social media platform has its own culture, its own audience, and its own way of communicating. What works on TikTok with its short-form videos and trending sounds might not work on Facebook, where people are looking for a mix of content. This means that you can't just copy and paste the same message across all your platforms. You need to adapt your content to fit the specific nuances of each platforms. In today's fast-paced digital world, capturing and holding attention is crucial. Let's face it, people are drawn to visuals. Rich media like videos and images are incredibly powerful tools for communication. They allow you to convey complex ideas in a simple, engaging way. They also evoke emotions and create a more memorable experience for your audience. They often use search engines like Google or map applications. They might type in restaurants near me. If your business doesn't appear in those results, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with potential customers who are actively looking for what you offer. Therefore, it's about ensuring that you're visible to the people who are most likely to become your customers. In today's digital landscape, successful marketing isn't about guesswork. It's about data. We need to be precise, we need to be strategic, and that requires data. The first step is to truly understand your audience. Who are they? What are their interests? What are their pain points? What motivates them? Data can help us answer these questions. We can use analytic tools to track demographics, behavior, and preference. The more we know about our audience, the better we can tailor our message to resonate with them. In the Philippine setting, Okay, when we talk about social media marketing, especially here in the Philippines, we need to understand that we are operating in a unique digital landscape. A huge portion of your target audience is actively engaged on social media platforms. This presents incredible potential for targeted campaigns. We have a captive audience, we just need to know how to reach them effectively. Second, we're seeing a significant surge in e-commerce and more specifically social commerce. Filipinos are increasingly comfortable making purchases directly through platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Third, and perhaps most important, we need to adopt a mobile first approach. The Philippines has a very high mobile internet penetration rate. Most Filipinos access the internet through their smartphones. This means that your content and strategies must be optimized for mobile devices. Now we're discussing the critical behaviors that communication professionals need to cultivate to excel in the world of advanced social media marketing. These aren't just skills, they're way of being, especially most important in a dynamic setting like the Philippines. First, adaptability and agility. The digital landscape changes rapidly, especially here in the Philippines. Trends shift, new platforms emerges, and algorithms evolve. We need to be able to pivot quickly, embrace new technologies, and adjust our strategies as needed. We must be learners, experimenters, and ready to embrace change. Next, cultural sensitivity and awareness. We need to be mindful of regional differences, languages, and social norms. Our communication must be inclusive and respectful, avoiding any cultural missteps that could alienate our audience. We need to listen, learn, and be genuinely culturally aware. Then, ethical conduct and responsibility. We have a responsibility to be transparent, honest, and protect user privacy. We need to be a source of reliable information and uphold the highest standards of integrity. Fourth, collaboration and communication. We need to be able to work effectively with cross-functional teams, communicate clearly with clients and stakeholders, and build strong relationships with influencers and community members. We need to be team players, active listeners, and effective communicators. Finally, problem solving and critical thinking. We need to be able to analyze data, identify problems, and develop effective solutions. We need to think critically about the impact of our strategies and make informed decisions based on evidence. We need to be analytical, resourceful, and proactive. Here are the guide questions. Given the rapid evolution of social media trends and the diverse cultural landscape of the Philippines, how can we effectively balance the need for innovative, trend-driven campaigns with the essential foundation of building genuine, long-term relationships with their target audience? Number 2, which area of your advanced social media marketing skills present the biggest opportunity for growth? And what's your plan to develop it? Thank you for listening, and I will wait for your answers on the discussion forum below.